I'm excited today to show you this brand new construction home on Austin's East Side. Lisa and I lived near here for several years when we first moved to Austin back in 2016. I'll tell you more about that in just a moment. But first, coming up in this video, I'm going to show you the kitchen and living area. Then we'll look upstairs and check out the primary suite and the other bedrooms. And then while we tour, I'm going to tell you more about East Austin and why it's such a great place to live, from the food trucks and coffee shops to the trails and local culture. This beautiful new construction home was built by Juneberry Homes, an Austin builder known for quality craftsmanship and designer finishes. Huge thanks to my good friend Jenny Kim, the listing agent, for allowing me to capture this home on video. Inside, we've got an open floor plan with high ceilings and white oak hardwood floors to give the space a warm, inviting feel. The kitchen features quartz waterfall countertops and a large island perfect for meal prep or gathering with friends. There's also a built-in dry bar area that would be a great place for a coffee station or beverage nook. Upstairs, the primary suite is spacious and bright with recessed lighting, dual vanities, and a walk-in shower and a large walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms and a guest bathroom with dual sinks provide plenty of room for family or guests. And the laundry room is conveniently located on the upper level as well. Okay, let me tell you more about why Lisa and I love the East Side. Just great memories. Early mornings on the trails at Lady Bird Lake, watching the sunrise over the water. We thought we might live on the East Side forever, but eventually we were ready for a little more space, especially to make room for our grandkids. And at the time of this recording, we have a dozen. Yes, you heard me right, 12 grandkids. One of the things that we love about the East Side is the vibrant culture and the amazing food scene. Places like Veracruz, all natural, is iconic for breakfast tacos. In fact, many times when we eat there, we see someone with luggage, and I like to ask, arriving or leaving? Either way, it's a must stop for travelers who are coming to Austin and passing through on the East Side. The neighborhood is full of great coffee shops and food trucks that bring the community together. Plus, being just minutes from downtown means you have easy access to work, entertainment, and everything the city has to offer. I already mentioned this, but for those who love the outdoors, the nearby trails around Lady Bird Lake are perfect for morning runs, evening walks, or just soaking up nature. At the time of me posting this video, this home is priced at $575,000. I'm going to stop talking now and let you just enjoy this home. I'll be back in just a minute. As always, if you want more information about this amazing home that is currently on the market, or new construction, or any home in the greater Austin area, just send me a text or email and we'll set up a time to chat. I love Austin and I love helping families and individuals relocate. This is what I do. Let's find home. And if you're still watching, thank you. Lisa and I love capturing on video some of Austin's great homes to share with individuals like you. I post videos like this one each and every week. So if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, like it, share it, comment. I'd love to hear from you. And I look forward to seeing you on our next tour.